So today we will work on one of my projects, one of my startups, which is Claude. And here, so I've been working on this project for about a month. And here a short recap from my AI agent, what we've done and what is it. So basically, the idea behind this startup is that the more and more traffic in internet is AI agent traffic, and apparently at some point people just gonna chat with their AI agents. For example, oh, I need these shoes for running. Yeah, like recommend me shoes. And ChatGPT or other AI agents will automatically search the internet and offer you the exact shoes you need based on the context, based of your its knowledge about you, and all you need to do is just click buy it. And so the whole e-com ecosystem and the whole like marketing in internet will be switched and focusing not just for humans but to AI agents as well. And so this is a short recap what we've done. So basically it's a free tool, two free tools at Claude. So we focusing on search engine optimization here, and that was our main focus for marketing because it's free. And for search engine optimization, I created a blog, and every day in this blog, different AI articles. Well, not AI articles, but search engine optimization articles. I will show you. So this is a blog, and every day it's a article there, and yeah, that's what we do, what I've done about the marketing. And other source of marketing is my LinkedIn. So what I'm doing in LinkedIn, and I'm just making posts. I'll show you here. I know that it's doable. So I know if you will do the right content, and it can explode, right? So I just want to keep my posts doing. And also I don't my LinkedIn account is not I have 4,000 followers, right? So it's not that bad. And I've seen the reason I'm so stubborn about it is because I seen people doing it without crazy good LinkedIn accounts, without everything. I just seen that people done it, my friends, right? And so I know that LinkedIn can be really, really good source of free traffic. So that's why I'm keep experimenting with that. And actually, one of the reasons I'm streaming this is to encourage the regular folks to try vibe coding, because it's super cool, and you literally don't need to have much technical skills, at least to start. And the good thing about it as well is that the current AI models is becoming better and better and better. So it's becoming the bar for technical knowledge to start this process is actually going down, 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 and down. Okay, So it created a Typefully draft. Let's see. Here's the draft. The carousel is attached. Very nice. And yeah, it's gonna change. It's gonna change its own rules, and so it will know in the future that it actually can upload files to Typefully. All right. First post now ready. And let's schedule it. Tomorrow. Yep, it works. Yep. That was a win. Okay, same time we are working on our second post in LinkedIn. Let's see. This is much better. This is much better. I like it. Schedule here. All right. Okay. Victory. Another victory. Celebrate the small wins. And what we have? We have two tomorrow. First one. Wednesday. Second one. Two posts. This is well. That's what I've done for not to be overwhelmed. And now I overwhelmed myself. Let's fix it. So how do I fix it? I just do a screenshot and like fix it. That's how you build startups nowadays. Just bossing AI. Super cool, actually. I love it. I feel we all really lucky to live. We'll wrapping up soon. So basically, what we done today, we scheduled two LinkedIn posts for this project for Claude for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So I will show the results of these two posts soon, this week, later this week, and we will keep experimenting with the different formats for LinkedIn posts in order to crack this approach, because I still believe in it, and I know that it works. So we just need to find the right angle, and we will keep trying it. And I think this Claude project, this project of mine is really suitable for LinkedIn outreach, for LinkedIn promotion, and that's why I'm gonna stick to Friday. And so, yeah, that will be it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the stream. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and bye-bye.